More Tesla in? What are we doing today, guys? We're gonna be installing Brixton RF10 wheels. We already done a set of these on another S, but that was on a satin black one. Really love how this came out. These are gonna go on a white one. So, Stormtrooper style, let's get going.
Ugh. You know how like the Model 3 ones are okay once you take these off?
These are not okay.
Why do it look like that?
The new Tesla Model S does do over 400 miles, which is awesome. You think it's really because of just hubcap design?
If I could
Does it make that much of a difference?
The RF10 wheels look amazing on the satin black S, and they look just as good on this white one here. I think it's cool how it's like a 5-spoke open design, but it still looks kind of meshy in a way. It's definitely one of my favorite radial forged designs from any company out there, and it just really gives this white Model S a much sporty look, especially with those red calipers. We also lower the S, and surprisingly, the fitment looks really good still. Normally it'll sit in a lot more. Really happy with how that came out.